Namaste and a very good morning to all those who have gathered here today. I, Prithvi Prabhu, on behalf of Indian Institute of World Culture, welcome you all on this joyous occasion, which also marks the third day of the inauguration of our very own art gallery, which had its maiden exhibition showcasing works of eminent artists, artists from Lalit Kala Academy, artists from the Akanksha Group, and from the Indian Institute of World Culture's art section. It's my pleasure to welcome our dignified guests for the day. I welcome our President of Indian Institute of World Culture, Shri Vijay Prasad, on the dais. Secretary of Indian Institute of World Culture, Shri A. Venkatesh Prasad. I would welcome you on the dais, sir. Very special mention and honorable mention to our chief guest of the day, Shri Sridhar Komaravalli sir. Welcome you on the dais. And very importantly, our teachers, Shri T.K.N. Prasad and Shri Sanjay Chapolkar. I welcome you on this dais. The Indian Institute of World Culture, right from the beginning, has been organizing painting exhibitions of eminent artists to inculcate a sense of aesthetic in the general public. In 1984, a further step was taken to start an art section which was led by Shri late M.K. Sunkad and Shri late T.J. Krishnamurthy. This was to enhance and to inculcate talents of the children and adult alike. Due to their passion for art, the institute became a hub for all budding artists. Their legacy is now being carried forward by Shri T.K.N. Prasad and Shri Sanjay Chapolkar, whose students too have now exhibited in various exhibitions and have gathered accolades. As it is said, no event can begin without the blessings of the Almighty. Now, I would like to call upon a classically trained singer and a passionate artist, Srimati Savita Govekar, to invoke the blessings of the Almighty.
Thank you, Prithvi. Good morning, all.
Thank you, Srimati Savita Govekar, for such a wonderful and soulful rendition of a classic song. Now, moving on to the next segment, honoring the chief guest. It's now my honor and pleasure to introduce to all of you our chief guest for the day, Shri Sridhar Komaravalli. Shri Sridhar Komaravalli, a freelance cartoonist and a BCom graduate, took voluntary retirement from State Bank of India after serving it for 32 years in 2010. What started as a viral cartoon on petrol prices went on to become his identity as he was asked to do a lot more cartoons and caricatures. Known for his doodling skills, he has drawn for 2 publications by Citizen Matters, a popular Bangalore web magazine, for books like Championing the Bosses, Hasya Bandha, Anakavadina Angadadalli, and publications like Highlights by the Lions Club, Taranga, Sudha, Nage Mukilo, to name a very few. He has exhibited at various cartoon exhibitions all over India, including a week-long cartoon exhibition at Reeves Art Gallery in Jayanagar. He has also given many talks on cartooning at various institutions in Bangalore and even outside Bangalore. He is also interested in writing and photography, and his works in both writing and photography have been published in Bangalore Mirror. He is happily married to Srimati Venkatalakshmi, a reputed Veena Vidwan, and together they are doing their best to promote their respective arts. He was also the treasurer of Karnataka Cartoonists Association earlier, and he is fondly known as the Metro Man as he has drawn hundreds of caricatures of passengers travelling in the metro. Thank you for making time for this event, sir. We are very honored to have you today. Now, I would like to request the chief guest to speak a few words on this occasion. Before that, on behalf of Indian Institute of World Culture, I request the President and Secretary to garland and to honor the chief guest. And I would request Prasad sir and Sanjay sir to offer a token of gratitude to the chief guest. Now, I would like to request the chief guest to speak a few words on this occasion.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಸಾಲೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಇಟ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಅದೊಂಥರ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಜೊತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಕೇಶನ್ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ artists, literary giants, and Bangalore's very famous historian Mr. Suresh Mona ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಭಾಳ ವರ್ಷ ಹಿಂದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಲವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು 75 ವರ್ಷ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ಯಾಷನೇಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ ನಂಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ. So I really thank the managing committee for inviting me here. I feel it's a very proud privilege to preside in a function at Indian Institute of World Culture. Having said that, next I must wish all the kids happy Children's Day. I am indeed very very delighted to be with you all. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಅವಾಗ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಟು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ದ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ಸ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಬೆಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಟು ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಹಾನೆಸ್ಟ್, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದು ನಂಗೆ ಯಾವುದೂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಬಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾನು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೈಸು ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾರು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಯು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಟು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಡೂ ಬೆಟರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಎಲ್ಲ ನೇಚರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಎಸ್ ದಿ ಮೇನ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ನೇಚರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ವೈಟಲ್ ರೋಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ಇವಾಗ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರೋಣ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್. ಈ ಥರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬರೀ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಯುವರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ನೇಚರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವೇ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅವರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಶಾಲ್ ಐ ಸೇ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. We will live for some years and we'll conquer, but the future is yours. So you make your future very bright and you promote your love for nature. Let Bangalore regain its old glory. You try your level best to do that. Ivagle ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ they are making attempts to revive all the lakes in Bangalore. ಆ ಥರ ಏನೋ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So when you grow up, show concern for Bangalore, show respect for the place you live, and most importantly ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ನ ನಾವು ಮರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಚರೇ ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಪದ್ಧತಿಗಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ಏನೂ ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇವಾಗ ನನಗೂ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂಥರ ಹೆಸಿಟೇಷನ್, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಬಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀರ, ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇವಾಗ ಅರ್ಧ ಕನ್ನಡನೇ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಈಸಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಥರ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮದರ್ ಟಂಗ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇರಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮದರ್ ಟಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್, ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಲಿರೋ ಥರ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ನೀವು ವರ್ಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾಲಿರೋ ಮಾನ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸು, ಇಂಡಿಯಾಲಿರೋ ಹೆರಿಟೇಜು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ನೋಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಈಸ್ ಅಂತ. And I wish you all the very best on this Children's Day. I once again thank you all for having invited me here. It's really a great honor for me. Thank you. All the very best to all.
Thank you, sir, for such an enlightening talk on how heritage and our culture is very important. The awareness is really important. Now, I would like to request our President, Shri Vijay Prasad, to speak a few words on this occasion.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಡಯಾಸ್ and our loving teachers Prasad sir and Sanjay sir and our very vibrant secretary Sri Venkatesh and audience. It is very delighted to see all of you here in this heavy rain, and we are very thankful to all the parents who have accompanied the children and encouraged the children to be here. ನಮ್ಮ ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಅವರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ಸ್. every drawing is very phenomenal. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೈಸು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಗುರುತು ಹಚ್ಚಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಹೊರತು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬರದೇ ಇರೋದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್. ನಾವು ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್, ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟು, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಸು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಡೇ. ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವಾರ ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಸರ್ ಬರೀ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಗ್ಲಾಡ್ ಟು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈ Sri Venkatesh ji to organize such things for the budding talents so that they will get motivated, and the teachers also will feel very happy that having trained those children. I once again wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for always constantly motivating and inspiring us to do our best. Now, I would like to request Shri TK and Prasad sir to speak a few words on this occasion.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಿವಂಗತ ಶ್ರೀ ಸುಕ್ಕತ್ ಅವರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ವರ್ಷ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುವ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ನನ್ನದಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಅಪರಿಮಿತ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ಅವರನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಅವರ ಬಹಳ ದಿನದ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಕನಸು ಈ ವರ್ಷ ನೆರವೇರಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟ IIWC ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಆನರರಿ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದನ್ನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಆರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಪಡಿಸಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎತ್ತರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಸಂಜಯ್ ಚಪ್ಪೋಳ್ಕರ್ಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಲು ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಷ್ಯ ವೃಂದರ ಸಹಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಸಹಾಯವನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Thank you, sir. Now it's the most awaited moment for all of you here. It's the prize distribution segment. All the judges, it was a very difficult job for all the judges, because I think most of you have seen the works being displayed there and how good each one of us. And to rank them according to the prizes was very difficult for the judges. So first I would like to thank the judges who took and gave a fair judgment to the art competition. Shri TK and Prasad, Shri Harish Shenoy, Shri Rangaswamy and Srimati Veena Naik were the judges for the competition, and they pronounced a very fair judgment which was very difficult for them. Now I would like to call upon Shri Sanjay Chapolkar to announce the winners of the competition.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. So I will now read out the names of the prize winners. I request today's chief guest Sri Sridhar Kumar Valli sir to give the prizes. So we'll start with the group A, which was from 6 years to 8 years. The first prize of this group A goes to Swasti V. Swasti V. Second prize, Samyukta Anvekar. Third prize goes to Shivansh. we are giving 2 special prizes in this section, this category. The first special prize goes to Vaidurya BS. She is not there. She is coming. Yeah. Great. The second special prize goes to Parnashri. Now we will move to the next group, that is group B. It is from 8 years to 10 years of age. First prize goes to Bhuvan K. Second prize to Monisha HM. Third prize, Diya Shenoy. We have selected 5 special prizes for this category. First special prize to Adya A. Bharadwaj. Second special prize to Lahari N. Third special prize, Abhigna K. Fourth special prize, Manvi R. Fifth special prize to Adya Raghu.
ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವ್ರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಿನ್ನ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪಾಪ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿಯೋದು
Now we will move to the next category, that is group C. It is for the age between 10 to 12. In this one, first prize goes to Pavni Pralhad. Second prize to Pranav M. Third prize to Vishruta R. In this category, we are giving 4 special prizes. The first special prize goes to Laksha Ramesh. Second special prize to Pannaga S. Third special prize to Sushumna V. And the fourth special prize to Ahan Chandra Goel. Now prizes for the next category, that is Group D, between 12 to 14 years. This one, first prize goes to Yogita Ji. Yogita Ji. Yogita Ji is not present. Second prize to Yashika Reddy. Third prize goes to Hamsini Ramkumar. I have selected 2 children for the special prizes in this category. The first special prize to Sanjana Prashant. Second special prize to Dhriti Das. Dhriti Das. We'll move to the next category, that is Group E. This is above 14 years of age. This one, first prize goes to R. Ishita. Second prize goes to Durijesh B. Third prize to Bhavishya Goel. In this category, we are giving 2 special prizes. The first special prize goes to Purvi Govekar. Second special prize to Tanya Pradeep. Tanaya Pradeep. So congratulations once again to all the prize winners. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And congratulations to all the winners and to the participants who did not win too. Like our chief guest for the day told that there will be a lot more opportunities and a lot more competitions to prove and to win. So now we are heading towards the conclusion of the event, and I would like to call upon Srimati Veena Naik to propose the vote of thanks. Before that, thank you for being such a lovely audience. Namaste and have a great day.
Friends, this has been a great opportunity for me to render the vote of thanks for today's event. First of all, I would like to thank Sridhar Komarwalli ji, the renowned cartoonist, for his gracious presence, and I thank him for agreeing for felicitating our participants for this today's Children's Day event. I profusely thank him for encouraging and for his lovely words and for his love and affection for this institution, as well as guiding our participant students as well as the general public in large for the environmental protection and all other causes. Thank you very much, sir. I thank Srimati Venkatalakshmi Sridhar for her gracious presence for this today's event. Thank you very much, madam, for your wonderful presence. I would like to thank Shri Vijay Prasad sir, President IIWC Bangalore, for being the front runner in the idea of renovating this art gallery, and for providing the platform to showcase the in-house talents that we have in this IIWC, where we are all students here, and we have a large opportunity now to showcase our own paintings, and this has been a really wonderful and an encouraging step for IIWC as well as the students of IIWC. Thank you very much, sir, for organizing this Children's Day event. Thank you. I thank Shri A. Venkatesh Prasad sir, who is like a powerhouse. He is a secretary of IIWC and he has ably facilitated everyone for the inauguration of this gallery as well as organizing this function. Without his wonderful hard work, I don't think we could have completed this work also. Thank you very much, sir. We cannot thank you with little words. I have to really make a big paragraph for thanking you. Really, thank you so much, sir. The hard work and skill to keep people together and to actually organize an event is not so easy, and that too to collect all the paintings together and to put up a show exhibition for 3 days is a very hard work, and this hard work, time and energy has been spent by none other than our own elite artist teachers, that is Shri Sanjay Chapalkar sir as well as Shri P.K.M. Prasad sir. So I would fail if I have to, if I don't thank them profusely. Thank you very much both of you for encouraging us and taking the time and energy to make such a grand event. Thank you very much, sir. I thank all the parents and children who have gathered here and who have heartily participated in the Children's Day program, and we request that all the parents may keep encouraging their wards to participate in such events. And IIWC has always had a motto to encourage the world culture. So this is the place to showcase your own culture, express your feelings. Please come and participate in such events and also start learning art. Art is a first step towards the culture of the society, because you are going to be the foundation stones of the next coming society. We thank you for participating. I thank all the wards as well as the parents of this event. Thank you very much. Yeah, and I also thank all the audience who have been present here for such a long time, and you have made our event a grand success. And I also request you to kindly visit our galleries, where there is a lot of exhibition going on now. Chitrakala, Lalit Kala Academy have displayed their artists. Very eminent artists have actually displayed their works there, as well as we have our art students who have displayed their works in the IIWC Art Gallery. Please visit the art galleries and encourage your children and guide them to look into the paintings in a different perspective and learn more. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Sir, Madhya.